Hello everyone. So I decided to do the same thing as with problem number 3 on this exam, as I'm splitting up this into 3 videos this time because this is kind of just the same. So by the way, check out the link in the description. So the first one is decide if the improper integrals converge or diverge. So we have the integral from 1 to infinity of, 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 to the power of 1 over x. Can you see? Maybe, kind of. Okay, so sorry, the integral from 1 to infinity of this thing here. So for this, we do kind of a convergence test, because if the function inside tends to a non-zero value, then obviously we know that the integral diverges. And this is exactly the case here. So we just need to look at the limit as x tends to infinity of 1 minus x. Okay, we have this thing here, and we can actually rewrite this as, okay, so if we add these fractions together, then we get x plus 1 minus x over there. So this is just 1 over x plus 1, and all this to the power of 1 over x. And this we can rewrite using an e to the power of ln. Then we will have that this thing is equal to e to the power of all of this. So therefore we have an exponent, so we move that out. So we just have 1 over x times ln of 1 over, so yeah, we can write the minus here instead. So there we have ln of x times x plus 1. So this is our thing here. And therefore, and therefore we can move the limit inside of the exponent. So we just look at the limit of this. So this is equal to, so we'll just make a quick notation here. Okay, so we try to find the limit as x tends to 0, infinity, sorry, of minus ln of x plus x times x plus 1. So we can rewrite this as ln x minus ln x plus 1 over x, and this obviously is equal to 0. So therefore, if this thing here tends to 0, that means that this thing here tends to e to the power of 0, which is then equal to 1. So we know that this function here tends to 1, and therefore, so I guess we have a function here that tends to 1, if this is like the axis, then we obviously know that the integral below will tend to infinity. So yeah, that was the first one. Hope you enjoyed the video, and check out the link in the description. And now on to problem number 5, part 2.